You want to learn what a target audience is? I'm here to teach you. Let's get into it.
Let's rock.
Can you run for me all day without stopping me? Can you take it to the top of me?
Welcome. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. It is I, your host, theeroyalbaddie. I'm glad to have you. And if you are returning, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have y'all at another Baddie business meeting. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you can get the full Baddie experience and get all these gems that I'm dropping as I'm learning them, okay? Okay, so this is part one to like a little series that I'm doing about marketing and creating your target audience. So this is going to be target audience for dummies. What is a target audience? Broken down for dummies, because I've been trying to figure this out for a very long time. And now I have. We're gonna get right into it. What is a target audience? A target audience is your ideal customer. Your customer that is going to love your brand, engage in your brand, buy from your brand, or even your content. Whatever you are a brand. Your target audience is the people who love you and your content, whatever you have to offer. Okay, I have my notes here, so I might be looking at my phone a little bit. So let's just say my lip gloss. I'm learning about this so I can correctly market my lip gloss, okay? So this is my lip gloss. What are you selling? That's what I'm selling. So what are you selling? Okay, I'm gonna break it down. You are not selling the product. You are selling the attachment. Whatever attachment they have to it, the emotion, the thought, the feeling, the idea, whatever the outcome is. Shout out to, her name is @moonmarketing on TikTok. Shout out to her because she taught me a lot about marketing. She said that brands are not selling the product, they are selling the outcome. If you have a drill, you are not selling the drill, you're selling the whole. Luxury brands, they're not selling the clothing, they're selling the lifestyle. Skincare is not selling the skincare, they're selling clear skin and confidence. Pillow brands are selling the feeling of comfort. Your favorite YouTuber, the person you watch, the reason you watch them is because they may be selling inspiration and motivation or a certain type of lifestyle, which all goes into one: inspiration, motivation, lifestyle. Your favorite YouTuber is selling you a lifestyle, so you engage with them and watch them because you want that. They motivate you, they make you feel good. That's number one. What are you selling? Figure out what you're selling. Number two, who is your audience? Okay, who is your audience? What is their name? How old are they? How would you describe them? How do they dress? What do they do that brings them joy? What are their aspirations? What career field or industry are they in? How do they speak? Where are they from? How do they look? How old are they? You gotta get in there. Get in there. You gotta create this person. Like how we are humans, me and you, we're a whole person with a whole in-depth life. You have to create that for your business. Who are you marketing to? Okay? Number three, how can you speak their language? How do they talk? Is it professional or do they use slang? What colors do they like? Where do they eat? What is their favorite food? Where can you find them? What kind of style do they have? What do they listen to? What type of content do they watch? What platforms are they on? This is how you will meet your audience right where they are. This is how you will get them to engage with you because you are putting it in their face. You're putting them in their face, right? So I used to have a brand called Royal Baddie Cosmetics, but I have been doing a relaunch and now I am going to be calling it something different. So how will I market this to my target audience? How will I put this in their face? They must like something about the packaging. They might like pink, so what? I'm using pink. They might like white, so what? My label is white. They might like simplistic, so what? My label is simplistic. So how will you get in their face? If you would like to know more about that, you can check out part 2 where I create my target audience with you guys. You can check that video out here. I walk you through step by step, and you can also check out part 3 where I teach you how to talk directly to your audience. I just gave you like a little sneak peek in this video, but yeah, make sure to go check them 2 parts out, and your marketing will be chef's kiss. If you don't have a target audience, you don't have an audience. You cannot target to everybody, okay? You have to know your target audience, okay? That is very important. Oh, and do y'all like my bow? And do y'all like my Bravo. That is all for this video. I hope you guys learned something from this. Let me know if you did in the comments. If you stayed to the end, girl, put the nail thing. Put the nail emoji. Let me know what else you would like to learn from me. What other type of content you would like to see from me. And make sure you subscribe to get the full Baddie experience. And until next time, bye.
Let's rock.
Can you ride with me?